Warning: please read the warnings we make in the more information section of our channel. We are not responsible for the information herein.
10 great reasons to drink beer. Pay attention. Beer isn't only a delicious beverage, but it also has some health benefits. Hence, we decided to present you 10 great reasons why you should drink beer regularly. 10 reasons to start drinking beer right away. Makes you live longer. Besides looking and tasting good, beer will save your life. Hence, drinking moderately and regularly will promote your life, and it is more likely that you live longer. Promotes weight loss. If you drink high-power beer, it can actually make you thin. It will aid in digestion and it is beneficial for the gut bacteria. Helps to fight cancer. Xanthocamol is a flavonoid present in beer which can help your body to fight cancer. This antioxidant can inhibit cancer-causing enzymes. Improves brain health. Women who drink 1 beer a day will have improved brain abilities and sharper memory and concentration. It doesn't give a beer belly. According to a study, beer doesn't give drinkers the distinctive beer belly. Hence, there is no connection between beer and obesity. Prevents kidney stones. It has been proven that people who drink a moderate amount of beer are 41% less likely to get kidney stones. It has less calories than skimmed milk or orange juice. Beer is a low-calorie drink, which makes it be a health food. Protects against Alzheimer's. The flavonoid mentioned above will also protect your brain from degenerative disorders, such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. It is packed with vitamins. Beer is a great source of vitamins and nutrients. Makes the bones stronger. Only by drinking a glass or 2 a day, your bones will be stronger.